If you're looking to shed belly fat from the comfort of your home, this video is a must-watch. I'll introduce you to 5 top-notch exercises that promise to help you achieve a flat stomach within a month. The final exercise is a real game changer, so be sure to stick around until the end. Don't miss out on this transformative journey to a slimmer waistline with these powerful, home-friendly workouts. Number 1, Mountain Climbers. They are a powerful exercise targeting the lower body muscles and burning subcutaneous fat. This dynamic move primarily engages the abdominal muscles, thighs, buttocks, and lower legs. By working large muscle groups like the glutes and quadriceps, mountain climbers help build strength and vigor. The fast pace of mountain climbers significantly enhances cardiovascular activity, accelerating metabolism and promoting weight loss. As you drive your knees toward your chest in a running motion while in a plank position, your heart rate increases, enhancing calorie burn. This full-body workout not only sculpts your lower body but also improves agility and coordination. Incorporating mountain climbers into your fitness routine can lead to noticeable improvements in muscle tone and fat reduction. Their efficiency and versatility make them an excellent choice for anyone looking to boost their total fitness and achieve a leaner physique. Number 2, Abs Crunches. They're highly effective for strengthening and toning the abdominal muscles. The primary muscle targeted in the classic crunch is the rectus abdominis. When performing crunches, numerous muscles are engaged, leading to increased calorie burn. This heightened muscle activation boosts complete energy expenditure, aiding in the reduction of excess fat. By consistently including crunches into your exercise routine, you can boost core stability and definition. This exercise also helps better posture and can alleviate lower back pain by strengthening the supporting muscles. The simplicity and effectiveness of crunches make them a staple in many fitness programs, suitable for all fitness levels. Whether you're aiming to sculpt a six-pack or simply strengthen your core, crunches are a fundamental exercise that can contribute significantly to your fitness goals. Their ability to increase muscle engagement and calorie burn makes them an essential component of any effective workout regimen. Number 3, Plank. The plank exercise is a powerful core-strengthening workout that involves maintaining a push-up-like position for a set duration. This exercise targets several muscle groups, including the abs, back, shoulders, and glutes. To perform a plank, begin in a push-up position, but rest on your forearms instead of your hands, keeping your body in a straight line from head to heels. Holding the plank position requires engaging your core muscles, which helps to tone and strengthen them effectively. Moreover, planks elevated entire stability and good back muscles. By consistently adding planks into your routine, you can torch belly fat and enhance muscle definition. The plank's simplicity and efficiency make it an ideal exercise for all fitness levels. It doesn't require any equipment and can be performed anywhere, making it a versatile addition to any workout regimen. Over time, increasing the duration of your planks will further challenge your muscles and improve your vitality. Number 4, Jumping Jacks. A dynamic aerobic exercise often included in fat-burning workouts. This full-body exercise quickly raises your heart rate, making it an efficient way to achieve a triple training effect with minimal effort. One of the greatest benefits of jumping jacks is that they require no equipment and only basic technical skills, making them accessible to everyone. The movement involves jumping to a position with legs spread wide and arms overhead, then returning to the starting position. This simple yet effective exercise engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Not only do jumping jacks work your shoulders and abdominal muscles, but they also strengthen your bones, muscles, and joints. Additionally, they enhance coordination and boost overall body endurance. The cardiovascular benefits of jumping jacks are significant. By increasing your heart rate, they improve cardio health and stamina. The repetitive motion also promotes better circulation and oxygen flow throughout the body. As a result, your metabolism gets a boost, aiding in faster calorie burning and weight loss. Incorporating jumping jacks into your fitness routine can help increase your overall calorie expenditure, making it easier to shed unwanted pounds. Moreover, the exercise can be easily modified to suit different energy levels. Beginners can start with a lower intensity, while more advanced individuals can increase the speed and number of repetitions. Number 5, Burpees. A comprehensive entire body exercise that blends strength training with cardiovascular conditioning. This dynamic workout begins from a standing position, followed by dropping into a squat with hands on the ground, kicking your feet back into a push-up position, performing a push-up, jumping your feet back to your hands, and finally leaping into the air with arms extended overhead. Burpees target multiple muscle groups, including the chest, arms, core, glutes, and legs. The rapid transitions between movements boost your heart rate, making it an excellent exercise for increasing cardiovascular wellness and overall stamina. Additionally, the intensity of burpees accelerates your metabolism, aiding in calorie burn and fat loss. Added burpees into your daily routine can significantly boost your physical fitness by improving strength, agility, and endurance. This versatile exercise requires no equipment, making it perfect for home workouts or on-the-go fitness. As you become more proficient, you can increase the number of repetitions or add variations to further challenge your body. If you found this exercise helpful, be sure to check out other videos on this channel for more fitness tips and routines. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and stay tuned for more engaging content. Numerous muscles are engaged.